Hello to every trader. Here I am again, the FixProfit robot. Now I will show you a live example of how to accelerate the deposit into the sky from just $1. Let's go. I will work on a 1-minute time frame. The currency pair is the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. I instantly give a prediction, lower. In this case, you need to click on the red button on the broker's website. I have purposely increased the speed of price movement for easy viewing and to save your time. From now on, I will be announcing the results of the trades. Friends, participate in our cool contest with a prize amount of $1,000. The conditions are incredibly simple. Watch this video from beginning to end, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. Only one message per person will be accepted. I will choose one lucky winner every week with the help of randomizer to take the prize. I will announce the results in my Telegram channel. Subscribe via the link in the description. The first deal is a success. I'm issuing a new signal, higher. I enter the market by pressing the green button. The entry point is $1.83. My team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from FixProfit with an average passability of 90% free of charge, after which you will be able to purchase the full version at a discount of 90%. The number of people who will receive the discount is limited. Link in the description. After purchasing the full version, each person gets unlimited signals and also gets access to a private VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares actual signals. And just now the trade closed in the plus side again. I'm investing the whole deposit amount again to make the turbo boost as fast as possible. $3.35. The new signal is higher. Now on the screen you can see testimonials from satisfied users who have already started to earn large sums of money with my signals. They free up time to learn and relax while I take on the hardest job of forecasting. And while we're at it, I'll tell you about trading on economic events. Trading based on the outcome of economic events, particularly in the realm of options, involves responding to market fluctuations triggered by economic data releases, central bank decisions, or significant geopolitical events. In the meantime, the trade completes in an uptrend condition. My prediction came true. Now I'm investing $6.13 in a new trade. I promptly scan the entire market situation and issue a signal, lower. Economic events refer to scheduled reports and news releases that provide data on various aspects of a country's economy. These include interest rate decisions. Central banks' interest rate decisions are some of the most influential factors for currency valuation. An increase in rates typically strengthens the corresponding currency due to an influx of investments seeking higher returns, while a decrease generally weakens the currency. Employment reports. Employment data, like the U.S. non-farm payrolls, NFP, significantly affects the market as employment levels directly impact consumer spending and overall economic health. And lo and behold, I took a profit again. I will now enter a new operation at $11.22. 3 seconds and the signal is already in front of you. Higher. Gross domestic product, GDP. GDP reports measure the economic output of a country. Higher than expected growth can boost the country's currency as it implies a stronger economic position. Consumer Price Index, CPI, as a key indicator of inflation. CPI figures can influence central bank policies on interest rates, which in turn affect currency strength. Political events, elections, policy announcements by governments, and geopolitical tensions can also create significant market volatility. Here comes another profit appearing in front of us right now. $9.31. I'm going into a new trade at $20.53. That's a good pace. Let's keep going. The signal is higher. Preparing to trade. Utilize economic calendars to stay informed about upcoming economic releases. These calendars typically rate events based on their expected market impact and include historical data and forecasts. Gauge market sentiment leading up to an event to understand potential reactions. If the market is overly optimistic, even a slightly disappointing outcome can cause significant movement. Before the event, analyze technical indicators and chart patterns to establish key levels of support and resistance. This analysis can help determine potential entry and exit points after the news release. Here comes another profit. I am now investing $37.57 in a new operation. I'm doing a lightning scan of the market. My recommendation is higher. Trading strategies for options. Straddle strategy. This involves placing both call and put options on the same asset before a major news release. If the news significantly impacts the market, one of the options will likely result in a substantial profit, which could offset the loss of the other option and potentially provide additional gains. Hedging strategy. If you already have an open position leading into an economic event, you might consider taking an opposite position to hedge against your initial bet. This is particularly useful if you are unsure about the direction of the market movement. So, and my account was credited with $31.18. I'm about to enter a new trade for $68.75. That's very fast progress. My new recommendation is higher. News trading. Some traders prefer to wait until the news breaks and then place trades based on the market's immediate reaction. This strategy requires quick reflexes and a reliable trading platform. Economic events can cause significant volatility, leading to price spikes. Traders need to be cautious, as such spikes can trigger the execution of trade at less than ideal prices. Rapid movements can lead to slippage, where trades are executed at a different price than intended. While options prices are locked in once a trade is placed, the entry point could still be impacted if the market moves too quickly. So, the account was credited with $57.06. Now I'm investing in another deal of $125.81. We've already crossed the $100 mark. The new signal is lower. Spread widening. Just before and during major news releases, spreads can widen significantly, affecting entry points and the cost of placing trades. Psychological factors. Emotional control. Trading on economic events can be stressful due to the quick decisions required. Maintaining emotional control and adhering to a well-tested trading plan are essential. Overtrading. The excitement generated by volatile markets can lead to overtrading. Set a limit on the number of trades and stick to it, regardless of the market conditions. So, here comes another success. $100.65. My investment in the next trade is $226.46. I'm scanning the market without delay. Lower. Trading options based on economic events requires understanding the event's timing, potential impact, and probable market reactions. By using strategies tailored to these events and maintaining strict risk management and emotional control, traders can exploit the opportunities presented by economic news while minimizing their exposure to risks. As always, a well-prepared trader is one who regularly reviews their strategies and remains informed about global economic developments, ensuring that their trading approach evolves in line with the markets. There's still a little bit left to go before the finish line. $165.32 is a great result. I now have $391.78 invested. I'm working very fast thanks to neural networks. On higher is the new signal. I also include information about news background and volatility in the signal message. Now both of these parameters are up. Working together with me regularly, you will earn millions. I have absorbed everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I'll multiply your deposit by 3 on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. $325.18 is another plus. It's time for the final investment. $716.96. Amazing! I'm issuing a new prediction, lower. Let's wait for the final result. Friends, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified about new interesting videos with valuable educational information and my trades. Give me a like if you like this episode and of course participate in the big contest with a prize of $1,000. I told you about its conditions at the beginning of this video. I also invite you to subscribe to my Telegram channel at the link in the description. There I publish weekly contest results and share information that will help you develop quickly. Also, don't forget that you can pick me up at a huge discount. The link is also in the description. So, the final trade closed with a profit of $595.08. Let's summarize. Thanks to my accurate signals right now from $1, I earned $1,312.04. Trade together with FixProfit. See you soon.